Well, I most certainly didn't feel like making this video today, but I had a red day. And I think it's important to walk you through why. Because it wasn't random and it was not the market's fault. It was very specific decisions and very specific emotions. And honestly, it actually started yesterday. I literally just made a short about how I minimized such a good opportunity yesterday. I traded well and I stayed disciplined, but I sized smaller than I should have. And even though I finished the day green, that missed opportunity feeling lingered, that I should have pressed more feeling. And well, that's how it started. So today we had a hard drop, and truthfully I handled that pretty well. I scaled properly and I only attacked specific levels. And I did not overexpose myself on the way down. So I'm not mad about that, but here's where things shifted. Some days the bounce just doesn't work out the way that you plan. And instead of accepting that quickly, I let yesterday's regret bleed into today. Now I had multiple green scalps early and I was actually up quite nicely. But in the back of my mind there was this, oh, you minimized yesterday, so don't minimize today. And on top of that, I have a week-long business trip coming up, so I won't be trading. So what did I start thinking? Maybe push a little more, maybe force a payout before you leave. And that is not how professionals think. So the bounce didn't hold the way I expected. And instead of accepting that my read didn't play out, I pressed. Now that's greed mixed with pressure, and that's very dangerous. But here's the difference between blowing up and surviving. I have a max daily loss, and once I hit it, I shut down. No debate, no one more trade, and no revenge. And honestly, it was a beautiful day out. So I took my kids to the lake, and that's it. Because once you've hit your max daily loss, no good can come from staring at charts the rest of the day. And here's the crazy part. Even though the bounce did come later, the overall trend still sold off. So if I had stayed to fight given my weakened mental state, I might have done some real damage. So today wasn't about a bad setup. It was about lingering regret, forcing opportunity, external pressure, and not accepting that every bounce won't behave. And this is why the max daily loss is non-negotiable. It's not there to limit your upside. It's to protect you and let you live to fight another day. Now, I'm not proud of this red day, but I am proud that I stopped exactly where I'm supposed to. And that's the difference. Discipline doesn't mean you never lose, but it means that you control how much. So now if you're serious about getting consistent, this is the part that nobody ever glamorizes. The red days, the pressure, and the mental leaks. But this is how professionals are built. So follow along if you want real lessons and not just highlight reels. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.